once again, and come on in. Welcome to Caldera Creative Creations, which I make wreaths for holidays. Okay, today we are making a beauty. We're working with the wreath. We got some rallies, we got some poinsettias, we got some beautiful glittery shimmery berries, we got one pine cone. We also got this beautiful ribbon. We also are working with a variety of greenery. We got some wider ones, we got some little ones, and we also got some beautiful shimmy. Okay, let's get this started. First things first, let's go wild with these. Let's go wild with the greenery. We're just gonna work halfway down. Let's just go wild with the greenery. Remember to visualize and be creative and just have fun making your wreath. Okay, look at that. Gorgeous already. We're just going to put a little bit on for the meantime. Then we are going to get our beautiful poinsettias on. Let's get those in here first so you can really visualize what we got working with, okay? Yeah, look at how beautiful. One of my berries just plopped on the floor. Okay, then we're going to get another one right up in here. Gorgeous, look at that. These are my binders from the thrift stores, okay? Now, let's continue to get wild with these. Beautiful. And I think I'm going to use these other secret ones, a couple on the bottom. You can grab one of these over here. Use some of that right there. I'm going to take this sticky one and put up here. Okay. Pick another one right here. I'm going to get another one right in here. How's that? Beautiful, huh? Woo! Okay, now let's get some of these leaves. Watch this. What this one leaf does to the effect of the wreath. Oh my, look at that. And another one we're going to get. I don't know if I should. We're right in here. Balance it out, remember now. I got to step back and visualize, Okay, now I'm going to get another one right up in here. There we go. Wow.
Wow.
I think we're going to get another greenery right in there. Now let's get some more of these. Look at these. Look at how beautiful this makes us. With these lovelies. Wow. Let's go all the way through the wreath. Especially where you see parts of it. I hope I need some greenery. Just go and put some in there. Oh, wow. This is looking so beautiful, everybody. Happy holidays, everybody. And thanks for viewing my channels. I enjoy being here like always with you guys. Yes, indeed. We got some more Christmas coming too. I just love Christmas. I still don't get the colors what I want to do on my Christmas, but I will get there and I will let you guys know. Look at the berries. Oh my. This is so gorgeous. Look. I think I'm going to even these out and put one way up here. These guys. Yeah, balance it out now, everybody. Balance it out. Okay. Now I am going to get this ribbon. And we are just going to have it like this. Some out. Right here. And some hanging out. Put them kind of close. We'll have this zooming down. This rolling through the wreath. Just have that hanging. These kind of close so you can't see Mr. Wire. Okay, I think we're gonna pin this up and use our handy dandy twib and twister first. But bam! Oh yeah, we forgot the pine cone. Oh yeah, let me get this. Handy dandy ribbon twister. Just twist it up.
Wow.
Now look at how gorgeous. This is a wired ribbon. Get the wired one, so I could be real crafty with those. Oh my, look at that. There. Okay, now let me pin this beauty up so we could really visualize. Oh my, look at how gorgeous. Gorgeous. Bum, 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 bum. There we go. Yeah. Let me see. Pin some of these fixers up and wow, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. There we go. Wow. How beautiful is that, everybody? Can't hardly see this one, huh? There. Okay. Let's get our pine cone up in here. Right in there. And once again, thanks for coming to my channel and subscribing. And just coming to check it out and enjoy. I appreciate the subscribers and the viewers. Much appreciation. And happy holidays. Be safe and be jolly. See ya. Ooh, look at that. Ay, ay, ay. Just be creative and visualize and have fun making your beautiful creation. Happy holidays, everybody. See ya.